to an overview of digital literacy, where in today's world, where technology is at the heart of nearly everything we do, understanding digital literacy is more important than ever. But what does that even mean? What is digital literacy, and what does it mean to be digitally literate? Digital literacy goes beyond just knowing how to use a computer or a smartphone. It's about having the skills to effectively find, to effectively evaluate, to effectively create and communicate information using some sort of digital medium or digital technology. So it's the intersection of technical know-how and critical thinking. So let's break down the components of digital literacy. First, we have information literacy. This involves knowing how to locate, evaluate, and use information effectively. Whether you're researching for a paper or just looking up some news online, it is absolutely crucial to be able to distinguish between reliable and unreliable sources. Next, communication and collaboration. Digital literacy means not just consuming information, but also creating and sharing information responsibly. So whether you're creating an email or a presentation, whether you're collaborating with a group on a project online, clear and effective communication is always key. Another essential aspect of digital literacy is critical thinking and problem solving. The internet is full of information, and not all of it is good or true or even useful. And digital literacy equips you to question what you see, how you can spot misinformation, and how you can solve problems using the best available resources. Think of this critical thinking and problem solving as it relates to digital literacy as this innate Spidey sense, right? Where you've come upon a piece of content and you're reading through it, you're trying to consume it while also evaluating its credibility or accuracy or something like that. And then there's just something innate that begins to tingle. It's making you question the legitimacy of this, the accuracy, the reliability of that content. And this critical thinking and problem solving is this inherent process that's happening at the same time that you're reviewing and evaluating this information. The last component of digital literacy is ethical and responsible use of the digital tools and information. And this is going to include an understanding of privacy, copyright laws, and knowing how to protect your personal data online. Now, we're not going to get into any of that in this particular video. We have an entire section on cybersecurity later on in the course. But just know that protecting your data and understanding the ins and outs of this digital privacy and copyright, these things are essential in a world that is so digitally connected like ours is. So why is digital literacy so important? Well, it's because these skills are essential for academic success, for professional development, and even for personal growth. Being digitally literate means that you can navigate the digital world confidently. You can make informed decisions, and you can contribute positively to your online community. In summary, digital literacy is more than just using technology. It's about being a savvy consumer and creator of digital content. It's about communicating effectively, thinking critically, and acting responsibly within a digital landscape. These skills will empower you to succeed in our increasingly digital society.